well, and you all are practicing abacus. How? With the help of abacus scale. Can you see something new here? Yes, we can. Now you know what? Today I have my scale with me. You remember? I was sharing with you in the previous classes that I have got a scale, right? This scale is called the teacher scale. Okay? You have got one small scale with you, that is the student scale. So your scale. Done? And I have got one another scale which is called teacher scale. Done? So let's learn today few things like identification of the beads, frame, all the names, levels. Okay? So let's get started. Okay, now come now. See, this is the yellow color abacus scale which the teachers are using. That means I will use. Done? Next. Same thing is there. This is the frame, the structure which is there. You can see the frame. These are rods. And if you start counting, you will get 13 rods. Okay? These are beads. These are beads. It's yellow color. These are beads. You have got red color. Okay? Next, these dots are called unit dot. These dots are called unit dot. You are having white color. So you will always focus on your color, not on my color. This I am showing you to make the calculations easier. Okay, got my point? Because your scale, I cannot put it like this and show you. So I have to use my scale. Okay, but the things are all same. You just go with the names, not with the colors. Okay. Next, these are beads done. Now let's see what is this called. The upper line. This upper bead is known as upper bead, or we say it heaven beads. And this lower bead we call it lower beads, or we call it earth bead. This line, thick line which you have in black color, that is called answer line. Okay, so we need to clear abacus. So let's see when I will use this scale, it is little difficult for me to use this fingers, but I have taught you how to go with the fingers, so you will go with your fingers. Okay, so just a revision how to hold the scale. You will hold the scale with both of your hands. How? With the left hand you will hold it like this, right? I hope you all remember. You will hold it like this. With the right hand, these two fingers are always free, and here you will hold the pencil. Now this finger is always used for the lower bead addition. Clear? This finger, thumb finger, right hand thumb finger is used for lower bead addition. Index finger, right hand index finger is used for addition upper bead, subtraction upper bead, and lower bead subtraction. Lower bead subtraction. Okay, so I'll just show you. I'll try to show you few beads with the help of these fingers. Let's go. So class 1, let's start. So I'm using this finger and this finger. Okay, I have already taught you. We start calculating in our scale from the right side. Okay, this is the lower bead, this is the upper bead. Done. Now in lower bead, let's do the values. This one, 1. Then put it down with index finger. Then 2. Done. Down with index finger. This is down means what? We are subtracting. This one we are adding. This means minus. Okay? This means add. Do it with me. Take your scale, put it on a flat surface, take your position, and let's get started. So this means minus, this means add. To add, use your thumb finger. Let's go. To add, we use our thumb finger. To subtract, we use our index finger. Okay? Now let's see the values. We are doing the values. So this one, upper bead. To add, index finger. index finger. So you do this, you do this. Now from here you add, from here you subtract. Done. You add like this, you subtract like this. Whenever the beads are touching this line, answer line on unit bar, you will get an answer. Okay? Whenever the beads will touch this line, you will get the answer. In our first term syllabus, class 1, we are doing only this rod. That means 0 to 9. 0 to 9. I am showing you 9 with the help of finger gym. I will teach you finger gym in the upcoming classes. Okay, so let's do 1, 1, 1, 1. What's the answer? 4. Clear abacus. You know how to do clear abacus. I hope you remember. You will clear abacus with this, with these two fingers. Okay, so clear abacus. Here I cannot do, that's why I have to put it down. But you can do it. Do it with these two fingers. Clear abacus. Done. Let's do 2. Show me 2. Done. Plus 1. 1. Plus 1. What is the answer? 4. Clear abacus. Next. 5. Minus 5. 6. So you do it like this. Okay. 6 you can do it like this. Since it is huge, big, so I cannot do with these two fingers. Okay. So this is 6. Clear abacus. This way. Now 7. 5. Then 6, 7. Done. So this is 7. Plus 2 if I do. Plus 2. This is the answer. 9. Clear abacus. You know how to clear it, right? You do it in that way. This way. Clear abacus. Whenever I say clear abacus, this way. And every time you solve a sum, you have to show this thing, clear abacus, with these two fingers. Just by heart everything. Just keep on doing as I am doing it. Okay? Then you will come to the flow. Okay. Now 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. See, immediately I have changed both the fingers. Now subtract 8. This side 3, this side 5. Same finger. Clear? Next. Let's do 2. Plus 5. Minus 5. Minus 2. Answer? 0. Because nothing is there over here. No, none of the beads are touching the answer line. Next. 2. Plus 2. Minus 2. Minus 1. Minus 1. Plus 5. Plus 3. Direct. You know the value. It's 1, 1, 1. So if you take 3 beads, it is 3. What is the answer? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the answer. Is that clear? Let's do it once again. Clear abacus, all of you? Okay. Next. This is 1. So if this is drawn, see in your book you will see this rod is there, this rod is there, and there is answer line. Right? And below there is a space to write the answer. To write the answer. So let's do it. How to do clear abacus? First one. See, this is clear abacus. 1. What is the value? 1. Write down 1. Clear abacus. Next. What is the value? 2. Okay. Write down 2. Clear abacus. Next. 1, 1, 1. What is the value? 3. Right? Write it down. 3. Clear abacus. Next. 1, 1, 1, 1. What's the value? 4. Right? Clear abacus. You know how to do clear abacus. So do it in this way. Now 5. Upper bead, 1 bead, value 5. Upper bead, how many beads are there? 1 bead in each rod. 1 bead in each rod. But what is the value? Value is 5. Value is 5. Clear abacus. So you will clear abacus in this way. Okay. Next. 5 plus 1. 6. Done. Write down 6. Clear abacus. Next. 5 plus 2. Answer 7. Clear abacus. You clear abacus in this way. Next. 5 plus 3. What's the answer? 8. Clear abacus. Okay. Next. 5, 1, 1, 1, 1. Answer 9. Clear abacus. So, class 1, you have to solve this page. Page number 5. Page number 5. This page you have to solve. Okay. Now, in this page you will see I have done already. Number Same thing, just match over here, you get the same thing. Two rods, answer line. You just need to write the answer. So how many beads? 2. Done. On the right side you will write. Here how many beads? 3. So write 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Lower bead 4. So 4. Upper bead 1 bead. What is the value? 5. Upper bead and lower bead 1 bead. 6. Upper lower 5, 6, 7. Lower 2 beads, upper 1 bead. So 7. Now 5, 6, 7, 8. So you write 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You write 9. So solve this identification of beads, page number 5, page number 6. All of you will solve page number 5, page number 6, 1A book. Is that clear, class 1? I hope you are getting it. So it's very easy, very simple. Now we have started with our 1A book. At the same time, at home, you will solve 1B book also, because the same thing is given over there. Okay? I will tell you the date when to submit. You will submit on that week. Is that clear, class 1? Yes. Okay. So complete page number 5 and page number 6. In the next class, on Thursday's class, what we will do? We will do page number 7 and page number 8. That is also very easy. Okay. Now at the top, write today's date. At the top, write today's date. Over here, 26/4/2021. CW. Clear? Then complete this page, page number 5. Here also same thing. Write the date and CW. Complete this page. Take a pic and keep it ready with you. Okay? As soon as I say to submit, you submit it. You upload it in Google Classroom. Okay? So today till this much. Meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye.